Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy textured bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to gather up the crown section of hair, and we're just going to bring this to the back of the head and pop it into a loose ponytail with an elastic band. Now moving on to the left side, I'm going to section out the hair from the ear upwards, and we're going to pull this around to the back of the head and add another elastic band, making sure we keep it a few inches away from the scalp so it's nice and loose. And then we're just repeating it on the right hand side, so take all the hair from the ear upwards, bring it round to the back of the head, keeping it loose, and add your elastic band. So you should be left with 3 loose ponytails. Now starting on that middle ponytail, I'm going to create a hole with my fingers, and I'm going to pop a couple of fingers through the hole, then pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole to create a twist. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the ponytails on the left and the right hand side of the head. So create your hole, pop a couple of fingers through, and then pull that ponytail through. Now we're going to gather up the hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to take some texture spray and apply it all over those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then very gently, using your fingers and thumb, gently pinch and pull at all sides of those twists to make them nice and voluminous. And we want to do this with all 3 twists, so the one in the middle and then the one on the sides as well. And you can make this style as neat or as messy as you like. Now with that ponytail, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom, and then I'm going to tie it off with an elastic band, but on the last twist of that band, don't pull the ends all the way through. So take hold of that little loop, and all we're going to do is roll it up the length of that braid until you meet the nape of the neck. Then use your fingers to kind of stretch it out along the nape of the neck to make it a little bit wider. Then just use as many bobby pins as needed all around the outside of that bun, just to keep it secure to the head. Then just spend a minute or 2 pinching and pulling every loop and twist of that bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.